Okay, so today we're going to look at the washing machine. The water inlet seems to be slow. Let's see what we can do, alright? Okay, so the first thing we should do is we should turn off the water first. And then we'll remove the water inlet and see how the water flow is. Okay, so once we've taken it out, okay, that seems strong enough. So next thing we want to do is check the filter at the back here. You might need a plier for this. Okay, sorry for the long wait. So plier. Okay, this seems pretty clogged up. Alright, to clean this is pretty simple. Just put it on the opposite direction and just use water to clean it off. Be right back. Alright, you can at least see through it now, but might still need a little bit more cleaning with a brush. I'll be right back. Alright, so this is clean. You can see it through it very clearly. Okay, so let's install it back, which is quite simple. Just plug it back inside. Okay, and then we'll connect the pipe and we'll see how it goes, alright? Yep, definitely much faster. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Okay, so that's the end of the video, and this is the simplest way to actually see if your water, your washing machine is clogged up or not, if it's filling very slowly. Alright, so the problem I had was that it was filling so slow that one cycle to wash the clothes takes about 2 hours. Alright, that's ridiculous. Alright, and I've been living with it for like a couple of months, so I'm free today. I decided to check on the filter, and true enough, the filter was blocked, and just cleaning it up, which takes about 3 minutes or less. Heck, I should have done this long ago, man. Alright, so as usual, if you have not done so, please hit the subscribe, hit the like, and hit the bell button so you get notified on our next uploads. Every subscription counts, so I really count on you guys, alright? So, yep, that's the end of this video. I'll see you again soon. Bye.